Hi everyone, Mr. Allen here for our first golden ticket assembly after a half-term holiday. It was really lovely to see all the children back on Monday working so hard. And these children today who get these golden tickets and their special treat have been working super hard from Monday right the way through this week. So huge congratulations to these children. It's Friday, the 6th of November. We're starting obviously with nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB this morning. So these are all the children who've been working super hard. So we'll start with nursery. Now, in nursery, this child always busy, she loves drawing and she's been listening very carefully on the carpet and now can retell Dear Zoo all by herself. Really brilliant effort. That is superb, so good. And I love Dear Zoo, it's one of my favourites. This child is always kind and considerate. He looks after his friends, has fantastic manners, and he comes into nursery with a can-do attitude. And both of them always huge smiles on their face when they come into nursery. Golden tickets go to Lola and Ruben. Well done, Lola. Well done, Ruben. You superstars. Congratulations. Well done, guys. Really proud of you. Hugely deserved. Treats will be going home with you as well today, so really do enjoy them, have them after your tea tonight, and celebrate with your family. Really well done. Thank you both, and thank you for being so smiley, helpful, and working so hard. Moving on to reception and turtle class. This child is a kind, friendly, and hard-working member of turtle class. She is always listening carefully when we are doing our learning, and she always tries her best. It's well done, and keep it up, and she really does, because it goes to Naya Rose! Here she is, look at her. And a huge big happy birthday, look at that. Finished being 4 now, because she's 5. But actually, she's always been working like a 5-year-old all the way through. And she's so deserved this big smiley face all the time. Really helpful, really hardworking. Well done, Naya. Really enjoy this. And hopefully you'll share your treats as well with your brothers and sisters. Who knows, it's up to you. Right, moving on to shark class. Here we go. Our golden ticket winner this week has been so helpful. He always asks when he can do what he can do to help and does it with a big smile on his face. And he really does, whatever that is, always helping out, but working super hard as well. Golden ticket goes to Rudy! Look at him there, handing out all the water bottles. Those muscles, well done Rudy. Here and there, cleaning the board as well, the painting board. Rudy, you are so helpful. All of my assemblies, all last half term, were about please helping out, do whatever you can. If something needs doing, please do that. You do that every single time. You're an absolute superstar and a smasher, so thank you so much. You're really helping all the teachers and Mr. Allen to keep this school so wonderful. So well done, Rudy. Well deserved, buddy. Congratulations. Moving on. We go, look, Miss Marshall, year 1s, look at this. This child has given 100% effort the last few weeks and he hasn't stopped right back after half term. He smiles every time he reads something new and is really enjoying being at school. And we all really enjoy this boy being at school as well. The golden ticket goes to Ethan! There he is. Look at him, look. Ethan, you are a little superstar. You quietly get on, no upset, no messing about. You just do the right thing every single time. Really well deserved, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Enjoy your treats tonight with Mummy, all right? And maybe you can share them. Who knows? It's up to you, but well deserved, buddy. And thank you from Mr. Allen as well for being such a superstar. Well done. Moving on to Miss Begum. This person works hard with their learning and doesn't give up. Ever. Doesn't ever give up. They are friendly and caring towards their friends. They are sensible and always listening carefully to instructions. I can ask no more of Alita. Here she is. Come on. There she is. Look. Absolutely. Look at that handwriting. Superb, Alita. I am so proud of you. She's got her maths there. She's doing partitioning there. Working so hard with her maths, her writing, her phonics. Alita, you are a little superstar, really well deserved. And again, enjoy your treats and maybe they're yours, but you can share them with your brothers and sisters. It'll be up to you, all right? But really well done. I'm proud of you. Brilliant effort. Moving on to year 2. Here we go. Look, Miss Hopkins' class. This child sets a brilliant example to everyone in the classroom. She always has her head down working away. She has been reading 5 times per week and has done extra maths homework too. She's always listening on the carpet and follows instructions first time. She really does. Such a hard worker, so hardworking. I'm so proud of her and well deserved. Esme, there she is. Look at her, look. Absolute superstar. Well done, Esme. You really do deserve this. You're working so hard. Enjoy your treats as well. Okay, I'm really proud of you, hon. Congratulations. Look after this. Moving on. In Mrs. Cook's class, look at this. Works his socks off. loves a challenge, focused, listens well, a good friend, teammate, and helpful to everyone in the class. He really is such a bright, bright boy, works so hard, helps out everyone, helps out Mr. Allen as well, know that for a fact, and is a super friend, so really well done. Golden ticket goes to Yr1! Here he is, look at him. Look at him, with his bread that he's made there, okay? He's doing his science experiment, looking at various bits, and here with his Tudor house as well. Yr1, you're working so hard. Huge congratulations, buddy. Again, with your treats, maybe you can share them with your sisters. It's up to you, buddy, but I'm sure you will because you're such a lovely and kind boy. But huge congratulations. Enjoy your treats later. I'm proud of you. Thank you. And finally, this morning, we've got the SRB. She has come back to school after half term with lots of positive energy. Really has. Huge smile on her face on Monday. She has been reading lots over half term, every single day, sometimes twice a day, and is back to working hard. She has also been continuing to help children and adults alike in the classroom. She really does. And I cannot think of a better winner for the SRB than Amelia! Well done, Amelia. Your second golden ticket in the SRB. Huge congratulations, hon. Here she is. Look, I said, big smile. Look at this. Everything she's doing, there's a huge big smiley face, whether that's maths, whether that's her phonics, if she's out at forest schools, whatever that is, she's absolute superstar. Well done, Amelia, you absolute superstar. Well deserved. Enjoy your treats tonight and look after your golden ticket, your second golden ticket. Really well done, proud of you. I'm proud of everyone who's earned themselves a golden ticket. Don't worry if it isn't you this week. Look at these children who have earned them and see how you get on next week, okay? So good effort. Come on, everyone, give it a good try. Finally, for me, obviously, what a fantastic week back, everyone. It really has been thumbs up from me. It's been a brilliant start back after half term. Obviously, things are changing about, we know that, but what we need to do is try and keep school open for as long as we possibly can. And for that, I've just got this final message for this weekend, really. Please, everyone, for me, it's really quite simple for us. At Milecross, in Milecross, the community of Milecross, stay home. Protect Milecross, help keep school open. This is going to be our new sort of mantra, I think, for us. Through this next 4 weeks, if we try and stay in, stay away, keep that R rate down, because they keep talking about all the while, we can then protect Milecross, the whole community, and also help keep Milecross Primary School open. Let's all do our bit, please, everyone. And until next week, bye-bye, everyone.